When you say, when I have enough money, then I'll manage it, it's just like a sick person saying, when I have enough health, then I'll manage it. Huh? Sounds ridiculous, isn't it? Therefore, if you have this thought, the first thing to do is to switch it to, when I begin to handle my money, I will have plenty to manage. When you start with whatever you have right now and you manage it as a habit, you will find that gradually you will have more and more to manage. Hi everyone, Leon here. Welcome back to my channel, the best place to learn more in less time. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some tips on managing your money. Okay, I lied. It's just one tip, not tips, and one powerful tip. And this is something which I've used and produced results for me. Watch on to find out more. If there's one thing that differentiates between financial success and financial failure, it is how well you manage your money. Robert Kiyosaki says, it's not how much money you make, but how much money you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for. In short, managing your money properly is more important than how much you make. Take a look at the statistics of people who won lottery and ended up broke. Wealthy people are not people who are smarter or luckier, but what they do have is a different and a more supportive habit in managing money. For most, the concept of managing money stops at just, I'll save up, or I let my insurance agent handle it for me. But there is much more that you can do in managing your money. But wait, what if I don't have enough money to manage? If you are thinking about this, then probably you are doing this. Take this off and you will see a much bigger picture. What if you change your thinking from, when I have enough money, then I will manage my money, to, when I begin to manage my money, I will have plenty of it. What actions would you have taken, Lee, when you switch that thought of yours? When you say, when I have enough money, then I'll manage it, it's just like a sick person saying, when I have enough health, then I'll manage it. Huh? Sounds ridiculous, isn't it? Therefore, if you have this thought, the first thing to do is to switch it to, when I begin to handle my money, I will have plenty to manage. When you start with whatever you have right now and you manage it as a habit, you will find that gradually you will have more and more to manage. T Harv Eker said, until you show you can handle what you've got, you won't get any more. Here's a glass and a jug of water. How much water can a glass hold? The capacity is designed to hold, isn't it? What if I keep pouring water into the glass? Water will spill. The glass is just like your capacity to handle money, and the water is like the money. So, if your capacity to handle the money is of a certain size, it doesn't matter if I give you more of it because you can only handle that much. However, don't be discouraged because managing money can be developed just like a muscle. Once you start to develop this habit of managing your money, your capacity will grow. And when your capacity grows, the more money you will be able to keep. So here's the $1 million tip. Create 6 separate bank accounts to handle your money separately. Name the accounts necessities account, financial freedom account, long-term savings account, education account, charity account, and play account. As you can see, there's a purpose for each account. The necessities account is for necessities. I don't have to elaborate on that, right? The financial freedom account is for investing. It is never spent. It is to be used for investments and buying or creating passive income streams. Long-term savings account is for buying of more expensive items that you will need in the future. The education account is for spending on anything that is related to education or self-improvements like books and seminars or workshops and so on. The charity account is for you to give back to the society. And the play account is for pampering yourself. Like for example, go for a relaxing massage or some fine dining and so on. Every month when your paycheck comes in, automate them and distribute them according to the percentages shown. And if for some reasons you can't automate, then do the distribution manually. What you've done here is a very simple and effective way of managing your money. It gives you a crystal clear blueprint of what you can invest and spend. Now, for example, if I were to think about buying things on self-education, for example, books or seminars or workshops, then I'll take reference from my education account to see if it's within the budget. So it takes away a lot of my what ifs and impulse buying. Oh God. It goes the same for all the other accounts as well. With a clear picture of how much you can spend or invest in each category, you will prevent yourself from overstretching. There you go! Make this a habit and see your money grow! And if you found value in this video, like or comment below to let me know. And remember to subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be notified of my weekly learning. Thank you for watching, wish you well, and see you in the next video.